Good morning, here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here in central London. We're doing a residential home. It's an interesting job. We have a flat roof at the back and we also have an internal roof drain. Right now it's ponding too much water, so we're going to use fiberboard and asphaltic board to get the water into the drain. So we're going to sump the drain, which means we're going to lower it a bit. We have a door threshold we have to seal and metal flashing around. Hope you like it. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. We've come up to the top of the roof, so I'll show you what it looks like. You can see the roof behind me, and you can also see the drain we have. So there is the internal roof drain we have. That drain is sitting a little low, so we have to sump it. We also have an AC unit and a door threshold that we have to roof in. So there you go, there's a job. It's pretty nice. We have some metal flashing work around. We have to sump it, so we're gonna lower the drain and go from there. Hope you like it. Ciao. Okay, welcome back. So you saw the roof when we started. We've added some fiberboard now. We've done some backslope to the perimeter. We've raised the perimeter to basically draw water away from the perimeter. There's been some deflection in the deck over the years. So we've used fiberboard again. We want to bring the water to the drain. The least amount of ponding on the roof, the better. So there we go. We're going to add some asphaltic board on top of that, and we'll show you what it looks like when we come back. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. We finished tapering the roof, adding the new substrate. You can see we put the base sheet in place. It's a fully adhered system. It's typically what we go with residential roofing. We've added a new drain insert. And because we are retrofitting a drain, we've added a U-flow connector inside. So because it's two different connections, the insert now has a compression underneath, so water can never back up into the house, into the owner's house. If it backs up, if he has a plumbing issue, it'll back up on the roof and eventually drain. So there we go. We flashed the perimeter wall and the outside. We will start putting some cap sheet on, and away we go. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. We finished the job. I think the client's gonna be thrilled. It really turned out really nice. We finished the drain insert, as you saw. We have a washroom vent stack here. We also had a door threshold where we had to install some polyurethane sealant. It's good for details and tough little tricky details. So there you go. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. Or you can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.